Have you ever found yourself lying awake at night, staring at the ceiling asking, "Will I ever be rich one day?" It's a question most people ask at some point in their lives, often in moments of frustration or self-reflection. But what if I told you that the answer might already be within your grasp? By the end of this video, you'll understand 10 signs that will instantly tell you if you'll become wealthy one day. And here's the thing. In life, no matter how much progress you make, it almost never feels quite like enough, does it? There's always someone doing better, making more money, living in a bigger house, driving a nicer car. And the truth is, it's easy to get caught up in comparing yourself to others, especially those in your age group who seem to be succeeding faster. But let me tell you something crucial. Everyone builds their wealth at their own pace, and comparing yourself to these outliers can be misleading and frankly discouraging. Now let's be honest for a second. Opening up and talking about your financial situation isn't always easy. It can feel overwhelming, but if you're serious about your financial success, there are some not so obvious signs that suggest you're on the right track. In today's video, we're going to break down these signs and indicators that could mean you're well on your way to financial prosperity. So let's dive in. Number 1, you question the status quo. Have you ever found yourself questioning the rules society teaches us? You know, things like, you need a degree to succeed, or investing in the stock market is the safest bet, or starting a business is just too risky. These are part of the status quo, the set of beliefs society passes down from generation to generation. But here's the thing, the world changes, and it changes fast. Technology, trends, and markets are constantly evolving. So what worked 30 years ago might not work today. Watching this video alone is not enough. If you've been watching our videos on side hustles and passive income, you'll know that investing in yourself and truly understanding how the world operates can either make or break your financial future. You'll want to watch our entire playlist to fully understand how. Those who become truly wealthy don't blindly follow the status quo. They question everything they ask. Is this really the best way, or is there a better opportunity here that no one else is seeking? This mindset allows them to spot and seize opportunities long before others even realize they exist. Think of it like surfing. You want to catch the wave early before everyone else jumps in, and that's where the biggest profits lie. In things no one else is paying attention to yet. Number 2, you're in an emerging industry. Imagine you're in a small boat floating on the ocean. If the sea level rises, so does your boat. The same thing applies to your career. If you're in an industry that's expanding, you're naturally going to rise with it. In today's world, the idea of working one job for 40 years and retiring comfortably is outdated. Technology and innovation are reshaping entire industries faster than ever. The key to financial growth is positioning yourself in an industry that's constantly evolving and has the potential to explode. Whether it's renewable energy, artificial intelligence, or digital real estate, the opportunities are in areas that are growing. Being adaptable is crucial, like a puzzle constantly rearranging itself. You need to figure out who you'll become next. Focusing on industries with expansion potential creates new income streams and sets the stage for long-term success. Now, I've only revealed 2 signs so far. This is just the beginning. What I'm about to share next will be the most important realization that turns my life around completely. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Number 3, you understand a job alone won't make you rich. Let's be clear about one thing. Having a job, even a high-paying one, won't make you rich. Sure, it'll pay the bills, maybe even give you a decent life. But financial freedom, that requires a different mindset. The truth is, our generation was fed a huge lie, that a well-paying job is the golden ticket to wealth. Here's what the wealthy understand. Your job is just the starting point. It's a stepping stone to something bigger. Use your salary as a means to an end, whether that's saving up to start a business, investing in real estate, or diving into the stock market. The job is your safety net, but the real money comes when you're leveraging it to build your own ventures and grow your wealth on your terms. Number 4, you choose your friends carefully. They say you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Think about that for a second. Who are your 5? And are they driven, successful, and constantly pushing themselves to improve? Or are they content to coast through life, never striving for more? A sure sign that you're on the path to wealth is that your inner circle is thriving. If your friends are out there crushing it, whether in business, investments, or personal development, chances are you will too. Success is contagious. When someone in your group starts winning, everyone else gets motivated to push a little harder. Choose your circle wisely because they can either lift you up or hold you back. Number 5, you possess a sense of urgency. Ever noticed how successful people seem to move at a different pace? It's like they're always on the go, always doing something. That's because they have a sense of urgency. Time is the one resource they can't afford to waste, and neither should you. Wealthy individuals understand that time is money, and the faster they can achieve their goals, the more time they'll have to enjoy the fruits of their labor. This sense of urgency drives them to take action, make decisions, and constantly push forward. It's what separates those who wish for wealth from those who make it happen. Number 6. You bet on extreme outputs. Wealth creation isn't about doing the same thing everyone else is doing. It's about outworking, outproducing, and outsmarting the competition. Imagine you're in a race. If everyone else is running at 10 miles per hour, you need to be running at 50. Those who achieve financial success don't aim for average. They go for extreme outputs. They put in 5 times the effort, take 5 times the risk, and aim for 5 times the reward. For example, if your competitors are reaching out to 10 clients, you should aim to reach out to 50. This mindset of always doing more sets you apart and puts you on the fast track to success. Number 7. You save to invest. Let's talk about one of the most important habits of the wealthy: saving to invest. It's not about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep and what you do with it. Many wealthy individuals invest 20% or more of their income every year, and they don't just stash it away in savings accounts. They put it to work in investments. Saving is the foundation, but investing is what builds wealth. Whether it's real estate, stocks, or starting your own business, the key is to make your money work for you. Remember, wealth isn't about earning more, it's about multiplying what you already have. Number 8. You have multiple sources of income. One of the biggest differences between the wealthy and the average person is that the wealthy don't rely on a single income stream. They diversify. They have money coming in from multiple sources, whether it's through investments, side businesses, or passive income streams. Building wealth isn't just about working harder. It's about working smarter. The more income streams you have, the more financially secure you become, and the faster you can grow your wealth. Number 9. You don't waste money on things you don't need. We've all heard stories of people who made millions only to lose it all because they couldn't control their spending. One of the surest signs of financial success is living below your means and not wasting money on things that don't add value to your life. The wealthy understand the importance of mindful spending. They don't buy things just because they can. They invest in assets that appreciate over time. So if you're already practicing smart spending habits, you're ahead of the game. Number 10. You're eliminating bad debt. Not all debt is bad, but if you're working towards financial freedom, you need to eliminate the bad kind, the kind that drains your resources without adding value. Bad debt is credit card debt, high-interest loans, or anything you have to pay out of pocket for without getting any return on investment. Wealthy individuals use debt strategically to grow their assets, but they don't let it control their lives. If you're making strides to eliminate bad debt, you're already on the road to financial success. Now, since you made it this far, keep watching because I'm about to give you a bonus sign where I really want to save the best for last, and that is this. At number 11, people start noticing your success. When you start excelling in your field, opportunities come knocking, whether it's a promotion, new business ventures, or industry recognition. Once people start noticing your work, you're already moving in the right direction. Now stop and ask yourself, do you notice any of these 11 signs we've discussed in your own life? If the answer is yes, then you're onto the right path to become wealthy. But here's the key. When the momentum starts to build, don't stop. Keep pushing, keep growing, keep learning. Success doesn't happen overnight, but with persistence, it's inevitable. In fact, if you want to know the real reason why people stay stuck living an average life, well, it's for 10 reasons that I've explained step by step in this next video. Just check the video on the screen, and we'll see you in the next one.